Welcome to the world of Web GIS, a powerful fusion of geospatial technology and the Internet. Today, we'll explore what Web GIS is and how it revolutionizes the way we interact with geographic information. Web GIS is a system that allows us to access, analyze, and visualize geographic data through web-based applications. It brings the power of GIS to our fingertips, anytime and anywhere. Through Web GIS, we can navigate interactive maps, explore different layers of information, and perform spatial analysis without the need for specialized software. It's like having a virtual GIS lab accessible through our web browsers. Web GIS enables us to overlay various data layers, such as demographics, land use, and environmental factors, onto a map interface. This integration of data provides a comprehensive view of our world. What makes Web GIS even more powerful is its ability to incorporate real-time data. We can monitor dynamic phenomena like weather conditions, traffic patterns, and social media trends, providing up-to-date insights. Collaboration lies at the heart of Web GIS. It allows multiple users to access and contribute to a shared geospatial environment. We can work together on projects, share data, and communicate effectively, breaking down geographical barriers. With the rise of mobile devices, Web GIS has become even more accessible. We can now access maps and geospatial tools on our smartphones and tablets, empowering us to collect data and make informed decisions on the go. Web GIS doesn't exist in isolation. It seamlessly integrates with other cutting-edge technologies like cloud computing, big data analytics, and Internet of Things. This integration amplifies its capabilities and opens new avenues for innovation. The advantages of Web GIS are numerous. It democratizes access to geographic information, enhances data sharing and collaboration, increases efficiency in decision-making, and facilitates community engagement and participatory mapping. In summary, Web GIS is a game-changer in the world of geospatial technology. It brings the power of GIS to a broader audience, making geographic information more accessible, interactive, and impactful. Now that you understand the potential of Web GIS, let's embark on a journey of exploration and leverage its capabilities to create a smarter and more connected world.